Hello everyone, welcome to SUI price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis, and of course starting on the 4-hour chart here. We are looking of course to our impulse towards the upside, where we are looking here for 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5, of course, for a big wave towards the upside. Now we have already finished 1, 2, 3. Your wave 3 is 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, that's fine. And then having of course a wave 4 here and starting your wave 5. Now your wave 5 might have finished, guys. So we have a 1, 2, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. So what happened with SUI was a little bit tricky, yeah, where you got kind of a wave 1, 2 here, yeah, but actually that was not a wave 1, 2. Even knowing that it is impulsive, I think it was not. I know that it looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Very nice impulse. But yeah, I think that something is wrong with it, because I think that we have finished a wave 4 here, kind of like A, B, and a C. And then, of course, having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 finished to the top. Yeah, so this is what I think. Or another scenario could be that the same wave 4 here, but okay, it was very ugly diagonal, yeah, like 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. It's very ugly diagonal. Because I cannot take a diagonal 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Your wave 5 is, of course, longer than your wave 3. And the only way, of course, that I can take it is a zigzag up, zigzag down, zigzag up here in the top of this one, and then having a lower one, and then zigzag up. So in that way, it can be. Yeah, it can be a finished diagonal, an ugly one. Yeah, so this wick means this what happened could possibly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or then we have finished our wave 4 here. That is no orange scenario. You have finished your wave 4 here as A, B, C, very ugly correction. And then you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very simple. One of these scenarios are the one. Now, I'm not very convinced with the correction because this looks a little bit like kind of impulsive for me, but if I would say that we have a bottom tier, then of course we can also take it as 1, and then 2, your 0 is here, and then 3, 4 with the red one, red candle, and 5 as a zigzag, or as an impulse. It can be. Look what do we have. I think this scenario is a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for your wave 1. Perfect. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for your wave 3. Perfect. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for your wave 5. Also perfect. Very ugly diagonal, but if you count it, it's working well. So if we go to the 1-hour chart to check it, here we go. This is what you have. Yeah. And yeah, I think with SUI we have topped then. So yeah, this is your diagonal, which is very ugly, as I said. Yeah, here we go. If we to make sure that this is not bigger, here we go. Diagonal wave 5. Yeah, you are inside the range. You did not reach the 1-to-1 fib level. We were very close to 1.618, by the way, and this target was given. But yeah, it looks like it has ended in an ending diagonal, very ugly one. I don't like it, but yeah, I mean, what can we do? This is a price action. Now we got an ABC towards the downside, and of course, it looks like we have topped for SUI because the counting looks perfect, to be honest. If we go here on the 4-hour chart, we can see that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 finished. yeah, as ending diagonal. And then starting ABC. Now, of course, it could be a 1, 2, right? 3, 4, 5, but this can transform to 1, 2, and then 3, 4, 5 towards the downside. So don't forget that you still have one chance to get a little bit higher with your wave 2 in case you want to save your trades and so on. I know, guys, it sounds a little bit, yeah, for some people who didn't took their profit, or they are, yeah, trapped here. So you might still have a tiny chance where you have a 1, 2 forming here, but you don't know how much high this wave 2 will go. It's a correction at the end. You cannot take it into consideration, right? But yeah, these are the things. So yeah, that was it for SUI. On the daily, of course, we are looking to a big 1, 2, and then this is gonna be considered your wave 3, by the way. So possibly that we are in 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, but preferably that the price doesn't take the wave 1. So if you take the $2.19, don't expect to be bullish again with SUI. What I'm expecting is a zigzag towards the downside and then moving towards the upside again. And of course, yeah, getting as well the 0.23 fib level. I'm gonna remove these fibs. So I'm gonna write here bearish scenario. But this is only possibility, yeah, because it can transform to a contracting diagonal, even if it interferes with zone 1. Your targets, maximum targets that you would like to see. I mean, yeah, you don't want to get under this. You want to reach only the 0.23. Here we go. So 2.61 is your target as bearish. I mean, short term, yeah, and then moving towards the upside. That was it for SUI. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.